Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech. Here at Old Man New Tech, I've been looking for some really cool Bluetooth speakers to use outdoors. Some that pair, some that don't. But I found them either small or tall, and some were really big. So I went on to Amazon and I wanted to find something in between that could be paired with each other. So we're gonna take a look at those today on Old Man New Tech. Hey, this is Brian Campbell with Old Man New Tech. It's a place where we take a look at budget electronics from a Generation Xer's perspective. Why do we do it? Well, we do it to save you money. But we can't do this without you, so if you could, hit subscribe down below and ring that little bell. You'll be notified every time we have new videos come out. So here at Old Man New Tech, we do love our Bluetooth speakers, especially when they're waterproof, built for the outdoors, and rugged and tough on the exterior. So I do like to find a good deal on these, and so I went on to Amazon to find some medium-sized speakers that were kind of fun that I could take out on the boat.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
That could be submerged underwater, that were really a lot of fun for the kids to take a look at, and something that my daughter would like, my son would like, and just have a lot of fun. So I went on to Amazon, I did some research, and I started looking at the ratings of some of these speakers. And I was happy to find the Aomais U-Go. New for this year. It used to be known as the Aomais Mini, but now it's called the U-Go, and these are pairable mini wireless Bluetooth speakers that are true wireless stereo that you can pair with each other. So I got two of them for under $100. It's pretty cheap, but let's see if they stack up to some of the promises they make. So we got a 25-watt speaker here. We've got stereo pairing function, so it can be paired with the other one, which I've already unboxed here. We've got IPX7 waterproof. That means you're going to get to see me do a waterproof test later. I know how much you guys love those. Got a built-in microphone for taking and making phone calls. We've also got a built-in rechargeable battery. Got to check their grammar there, Aomai. This battery is a 10,000 milliamp battery. It's rechargeable, of course, and it promises to give you 40 hours of playtime. I'm assuming that is if you have it at half volume. And also 100 feet of connect range, and I've tested it. It does reach out to 100 feet. I don't know how they're doing it with Bluetooth 4.2, but Aomai, thumbs up for getting it done.
No way.
Now let's unbox this. All right, we got our protective sleeve here. Ah, there's the beautiful speaker. We got our accessory packet. Includes an Aomai branded micro USB and a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary jack, customer support, and your Aomai directions. We'll talk more about these later. So visually, my first impressions of the U-Go, it has a really fun design with a molded handle, which gives it a retro boombox look. I got a nice rubberized, non-slip, black matte finish around the edges. It's got a nice solid feel, and it weighs about 3 pounds, maybe a little bit over. So it's hefty, but not too hefty. It doesn't feel cheap at all, which is nice since they're very affordable. There's a mesh metal cover for the drivers, and there's some little tweeters up here. And if you flip it around to the back, you're going to notice that inside there you've got a nice passive subwoofer to give you a nice bass sound when you start them up. Finally, the controls. The controls I like. There's a power button here, volume down and up, and play and pause. Real simple. What I like about these is they are not flush to the surface of the device. You can actually see them and tangibly feel them, which is nice, tactile functions. We also have battery life indicators here on the front too. So very smart design. And it also, by the way, it's built so that you can lean it at an angle for maximum sound direction.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
And you can see a little lighting strip inside the screen here. And we're going to take a look at this thing lighting up here shortly. Let's get this party started. So pairing these is real easy. All you do is turn the volume button on. Goes into pairing mode. Nice little voice there to let you know the battery is full. And there it is. Let's connect. Just like that, we're connected. Let's check out the sound. So we started up with some music here. And I guess to turn on the lights, you hit the play pause button. We got volume up. All right, well, let's see how they sound paired up. Now, pairing the speakers was not as easy as I thought it would be. On the directions, they say to hit the Bluetooth pairing button. It doesn't really have that. It has power, down, up, and play and pause. So I went onto the site and I checked out what it takes to pair these. Actually, it's really simple. You turn them on, you press the down and up button at the same time, and both devices will pair, and then you pair them to your device. I put the directions down below, and if you buy two at once, please check back here. You'll find the directions as to how to pair them. So we solved that little mystery for you. All right? So we've got both of the Aomais U-Go speakers paired up here in the background. You'll see them running. Color coordinated even. Flashing lights. And they are really loud. I mean, I'm moving around here so you can get an idea of the type of sound they're throwing off. And you can turn the lights off, but I don't like to because, you know, here at Old Man New Tech, we like to get the party going.
And now, the water test.
So now we're in Old Man New Tech's kitchen. And we're going to take a little Aomais U-Go for a bath. Time for the water test, little guy.
Anybody got any
Floats. Oh, cool. Still working. Can be immersed in water up to 3 meters for a half hour. Well, what can I say about the Aomais U-Go? It's a really tough speaker. It's got a great battery life. It's waterproof, and it sounds really good. I'm impressed by the sound, especially when they're paired with two. My only quibble, and it's a really minor one, is that I really hope Aomais, as well as many of the other budget-friendly speaker manufacturers, migrate to a USB-C cord, which offers a faster charge and is pretty universal. You can flip it either way. And when you're getting old, wearing glasses, it's kind of hard to see which way those mini USBs go. But it's great for the price and the quality, so I have to give it a big thumbs up.
Hey! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.